What is up, my friends? It's Edward Tomilloso, your Honda Man, Internet Sales Manager here at Honda of Santa Maria. And today, I want to just take a quick moment to show you something really special on this 2018 Honda Accord Sport. It's the 1.5 liter with a roof wrap. And it's not just any roof wrap, it is the carbon fiber look roof wrap. And what makes this one special is it's not just the roof. We got the side view mirrors. They are wrapped as well as the rear spoiler. I will reserve my opinions so that you can make your own, but I will add some footage in this video so that you can see it up close, a couple from far away so that you can see what it looks like. This car also has window tint. None of the Accords all the way up to the Touring trim levels have window tint from the factory, so that's another thing that we did include. The wrap and the tint is something that can be done when you purchase your vehicle here at Honda of Santa Maria. And if you are not around this area and you're looking to do this to your own vehicle, I would ask around and see if maybe a tint shop can do it for you, or if there's a place that does signs that maybe wraps vehicles, that would be another place to do it. Or if you're a DIY person, it might be possible to do it as well. So it is a vinyl wrap on the top, on the mirrors, and on the rear spoiler. So guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Once again, any Accord that we have in stock, you can have this same thing done. Am I leaving anything else out? Nope, other than have a phenomenal day. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now. Thank you.